You've been failing to get 1,000 subscribers, reason being you're doing this incorrectly. Today I'm going to be giving you these 3 reasons as to why you're failing to get the subscribers. And if you improve on those reasons, you will get the subscribers. What do we need to do? If you've been looking at subscribers as the way to go, that means you're wrong. How do we get these subscribers without putting in a lot of effort? We get these subscribers through getting views. If people enjoy your content, they will be subscribing to your channel and you will get the 1,000 subscribers that you're looking for. How do we do this? We are going to do this through making videos that the audience wants. How do you make the videos that the audience wants? So, when I was still growing on YouTube, being there, looking at subscribers, I'm like, how do I get these 1,000 subscribers? It's hectic. I know as a new creator, it's disturbing and traumatizing as well. You go through a lot to find out these tricks, how to get these subscribers. So, you should look at getting more views. Make videos that people are going to watch. How do we make these videos? We make these videos by going to YouTube. Go to the YouTube platform, scroll on the YouTube platform, look at the content in your niche, other people, the content that are doing, look at outliers. Do you know outliers? Outliers, these are the videos that have got more views than the subscriber count. For instance, if someone has 1,000 subscribers and his video gets over, let me say for example, 5,000 views. That means we are going to be doing that video, we make it, we look at that content creator, what did he do wrong? What didn't he fulfill? If the creator was boring, you just make that video, jot points down, do some research about that topic, and do what this creator failed to do. If I'm doing a video about getting views and you're into the YouTube niche, you just go down, look at my video, what have I done wrongly, what can you improve about this topic, then do the same video again. So if the video is gaining views. So if you make the same video on the same topic, the YouTube algorithm will recommend your video next to the video that is getting more views. So the second method, stop telling people in the comments that subscribe to my channel. Instead, improve your commenting. For instance, if I want to comment and get engagement, I find a channel that has numbers. So if that channel has numbers and it's getting a lot of views, we wait after a new upload. When he has just uploaded, you get a notification. Just go to the channel, then comment in a way like asking a question. How? If someone is making a video on how to make money online, so if you come to the video, which question would you ask? If it's me, I would ask a question like, which method is best for making money online? So people will react on that comment and you will get subscribers from that comment. So, but not just coming to the comment section and be like, subscribe to my channel, I'm making videos about this, subscribe to my channel, let's grow together. So I think everything needs value. So what should you do? Give value for everything you do. If you're making a video and the topic is how to make money online, and in the video you have nothing like making money online, so that means you're lying to your content, and many content creators do that. It's kind of clickbait. So YouTube also doesn't like clickbait. How you can clickbait, but in a smart way. Many YouTubers clickbait, but in a smart way. If I'm making a video on how to make money online, I make a thumbnail that has a bigger picture of me on a Benz, on a what, with a lot of money, yet I don't have even that money, and someone clicks on the video and I'm talking about making money online, that would be a better option. So someone gets the value as to why he clicked on the video. So, and lastly, if you want to get those subscribers, you just need to improve and get the 3 rules of YouTube. What are the 3 rules of YouTube? The first one, if they don't click, they don't watch. So what do? Make a good thumbnail, make a good title, spend more time on those things because they are the real reasons as to why people are going to watch your videos. And if they watch your videos, that results to more views. And if you get more views, that results to more subscribers. Spend more time on those 2 things. Take time, do research about thumbnails in that niche. How do they make them? Then get the best, then do a thumbnail that is more like that. A title, spend more time on the title. So we go to rule number 2. Rule number 2, respect the viewer. So how do we respect the viewer? That's what we've been talking about. When you make a video about video editing and your video does not include anything about video editing, that's a clickbait. You're not respecting the viewer. They won't subscribe. They will just turn away. So that will lead to the algorithm knowing that your channel, your video is poor and it won't recommend it to more people. So if you're making a video about video editing, kindly make, if your title is all about how to edit fast, kindly include how to edit fast in your video. So show the people how can they edit fast. Don't say how to edit fast and you're doing other stuff in the video. That's not respecting the viewer. And lastly, the third rule is that, can this video be replicated and make more videos about it? Can you remix the titles and the thumbnail and the topics in this video? That will be better. Because if one video gets a lot of views, that means that audience is interested in such videos. So when you replicate such a video and remix the topic, make a different topic but in the same context, that means you will be getting more views. So guys, subscribe to the channel, like our videos, share these videos so that they can reach more people who want to grow on YouTube and watch these other videos on our channel, like here.